In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to register your music with DistroKid. Let's get started. Keep in mind that DistroKid does not register your copyright with the government. It distributes your music to streaming platforms and attaches the correct metadata to your release. First, head over to the website DistroKid, provide your credentials and log into your account, or in case you don't have an account, create one. Then click upload and add your audio file along with the original cover artwork. Next, enter your artist name, song title, genre, release date, and songwriter credits, making sure all the information is accurate and consistent. If available, you can also enable YouTube Content ID to help detect and monetize music on YouTube. Once everything is ready, review your details and submit your release. DistroKid will assign an ISRC if needed and deliver your music to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. After your song goes live, claim your artist profiles to manage your music and track your performance. If you want full legal copyright protection, you will also need to register your work with your country's copyright office as that's a separate process from DistroKid. And that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.